We're at Leader Chuck Systems. Known for their work holding solutions, we're going to go and review some of the devices in their product range. Mark, you guys are known for your work holding solutions. In front of me you've got a huge array of vices.
Yeah, we really have. I mean, we've got vices for every requirement. I mean, it is exactly that. You took the words out of my mouth. It's a huge array. We've got some examples on display in our showroom, but there's many more. But I can show you one or two of these. There's a couple of things I'd like to highlight. But yeah, what we have here is a multi-power fixed angle vise.
Okay. But same as this one though?
Very similar, except that what we can do with this, we've got keyed top jaws, top tooling. So if you wanted to have greater capacity than between these jaws will allow, by having keyways on the top, we can sit larger components than the vise would normally hold in between these jaws, here or here.
Got you. Okay, next one, self-centering.
Yeah, that's right. That's a self-centering vise, which occasionally is a very good product, depending on the workpiece that you're holding, and where the datum is. If it's on the centre line, you may want to keep it on centre rather than the datum on one end.
Okay, just a standard vise here.
Standard machine vise, yeah. Great value.
Next one.
That's a little multi-axis vise, so it will swivel, rotating, and it will swivel upwards and backwards and forwards. So 2-axis vise. Yeah, very good.
Okay, and this one right in front of me looks a bit more intricate.
Yeah, what this is a vise that we've manufactured for ourselves for many years. This is an import now. We no longer make this, but the range of these now is so huge. We can do them in so many different lengths, and we do them in 3 different widths. So if you imagine a table on a machine, and we want to get as many components onto that table as possible, so that when the tool comes down to cut, it stays down, does as much work as it can before it goes back and we unload.
Got you. So a lot of flexibility. So essentially you could put one component in there, or one, two, in this example 4.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, you could as well have obviously a longer strip, which may enable you to, for example, have 8 components in a line. And you could also have a number of strips going in the X-axis to give you more capacity.
Great, so total flexibility on that side of things.
Simple operation too. I mean, all we do is we put a hex key in these drivers here, drive them down, that forces the wedge, forces the jaws apart and clamps the component.
So key to it, it's really simple to use as well.
Very simple, and really if you've got high capacities that you want a machine, then you should fill the table with these workpieces.
And another solution you've got over, I see over here, is the orange.
Yeah, this is people are really interested in this. I understand Instagram is very popular. This is very popular on Instagram.
Why? Yeah.
Well, what Orange have done, they're from California, and they've tied up with another principle of ours from the States, Carve Smart. The Orange Vise comes with an integrated Carve Smart quick change jaw platform today. Carve Smart can be sold as a separate item retrofitted to any vise, but the Orange Vise is the only vise that has it already as an integral solution. The way Carve Smart works is you have a dovetail to locate the false jaw into, and the way we change it very quickly, insert the hex key, lift the retainer and take out the jaw, hard jaw, soft jaw. Now, on the back of this we have a location pin if desired, and that means that we can put the jaw back in exactly the same position, retaining high repeatability. It goes back like this. And tighten the retainers. And good to go.
So essentially really simple to use and repeatability.
Repeatability is key, and this is a high quality, really a high quality vise, this from Orange.
You've got a great selection of vices here, Mark. Where would I find them?
Well, definitely, because there's such an array, I think the website is the place to go, because you can drill down into the one that matches best your particular requirement. Do you want to know the website address?
Absolutely.
It's 3 W's, www.leaderchuck.com.